If you don't like feeling sluggish but still want to enjoy life, then it's time to change your focus. So, here's the scoop. Keeping healthy isn't just about hitting the gym or eating salads. It starts with gratitude. Yep, you heard me right. Every morning, take a minute to think about 3 things you're grateful for. It sets a positive tone for your day and reminds you of the good stuff. Next, move your body. It doesn't have to be crazy intense. A walk in the park, dancing in your living room, or a quick yoga session can do wonders. Just keep it fun and consistent. And finally, remember, what you focus on becomes your reality. Focus on your health and your happiness and watch your life transform. You got this. Stay healthy, stay grateful, and see you next time.